Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing Bluetooth devices on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices from the left sidebar. In Bluetooth settings, click View More Devices. You will now see a list of your paired Bluetooth devices. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Find the one you want to remove and then click the three dots button beside it. Now select Remove Device. Your Bluetooth device will now be removed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.